Friends, in today's course, I will be helping you to learn more about the robots.txt file. What is it all about? Creating something requires understanding the process. Then how do you apply it? What are its real-world applications and potential uses? This is a complete tutorial on the robots.txt file, so please watch it till the end and learn it properly because it is very helpful in SEO. And friends, this is the SEO course. Learn this well, and along with it, you can also learn many amazing digital and technical skills. For that, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything at all. Friends, I have an important announcement for you. This is about the Marketing Fundas Money Fundas program, which is the world's easiest instant money making affiliate program. There are links in the description. Get the numbers and start earning an income today. So friends, let's go and learn. Call these numbers for digital marketing services, training or consultancy, or you can visit our website. So everyone, in this particular video, we're going to talk about the robots.txt file. Guys, the robots.txt file is very important when it comes to SEO. We should know how to use it and what it's actually used for and implementations. First, let's figure out what a robots.txt file is. And then we will learn how to create it. How do we need to check if your website or any other different website is the robots.txt file available or not? So first we understand what the robots.txt file is. So basically robots.txt file is a file where we tell the instructions to Google crawlers. Like the internet programmers who are like spiders and bots, they essentially serve as automated agents, and we give them the clear instructions on which page they have to crawl and which pages we need not to crawl. Like basically we are going to determine for these pages access should be disallowed while those pages should be allowed using slugs. So basically for that we have a very small script that is used. It uses coding, right? That we will completely apply it within our website. Here we will see which pages of our website are allowed and which are not. Basically we're looking for the robots.txt file is used to disallow access to certain area. If we want this page to be completely ours, to prevent Google's crawler from accessing a specific page, we need to use disallow codes within our robots.txt file. So Google won't crawl that page. So that for you it gets disallowed, from where Google's crawler should not be able to crawl that data. So basically it is a file where we are providing instructions to Google's crawlers, which are also known as Google bots or spiders. So we have to provide all the instructions to them, okay? So you want this page to be crawled and you do not want this page to be crawled using some codes, right? The next point we'll cover is how to create a robots.txt file, which is a relatively simple task. To create a robots.txt file specifically for your WordPress website, you have to go to tools if you have plugin Yoast SEO. If the plugin is successfully installed, you will then always find a file editor option readily available there. Click on the create robots.txt file and you will have a file that you can create it as you wish, and you can make any adjustments also. You can change it there. Like if I want to disallow the WP admin page, because our WP admin page is where we do our core admin tasks, we can restrict access. You enter the username and password correctly, which is by default disabled. If you want to prevent your privacy policy or any other terms and conditions page completely, for example, you can take anyone. So that needs to be disallowed. Therefore, here you need to come and make changes in the robots.txt file. There is one more method available here. So what do you have to actually do if you are not using Yoast SEO or your website is on coding? So you generate this file on the system. The txt files you create in Notepad. The robots.txt file, you created it. You are in your root directory, which is your domain. In its root directory, you can put it there. Save it in the public HTML folder, our folder. Inside, you can put the file. Upload it, then check it like this. Then that file is very simple, whatever your domain name is. Then after .com, after the slash, you have to type robots.txt. So guys, in this process that we are doing, we first come to our WordPress site. And I will show you one or two examples, like I'm going to show you Amazon's robots.txt. I will show you, then you will know what a robots.txt file is. Look. So what has Amazon done specifically that has led to the disallowing of many pages? See here, we do not allow GP card, contact form, customer images, the customer's media upload files, which are like reviews and the flex and history, many more things. What Amazon has done is disabled some things effectively and allow so many things also. This is disallowed. He doesn't want Google crawlers, people who see our pages, like programmers or bots, access their data. You can easily browse many websites like that and so on. Go to the marketing fundas. So write robots.txt. So here you will get to see all the changes on the screen, all of them. So there is nothing disallowed here because this is completely made in HTML, right? So let's do the practical with our demo site, which is marketingfundas.org. Okay. We need to come here, and now the option that you get is the one, it tells you how to create a robots.txt file. You come here, tools, under the Yoast SEO plugin. You will get the tools option, and then inside tools you get another option of file editor. Okay. So like you can see here in front of you, your robots.txt file. See? Inside the file editor, it's your robots.txt file. Okay. So you will click on the file editor and then clicking on the file editor. So here you see an option. You don't have a robots.txt file. Create one here. This means you don't have a robots.txt file yet. So you need to create a robots.txt file, and by default the codes used in the robots.txt file are like user agent and all, which is disallow and allow. They come by default, meaning they're included automatically. To exclude a specific page, type the code disallowed followed by a colon. Now on that particular page, you have to add the slug, right? So here it's very simple. How? We click on create robots.txt file. Okay. We will have to talk about this again. Here's your robots.txt file. It's created, right? So here is the user agent, which means it is for all the bots. And if there is any separate bot, it's not for that. And if you want to do this for separate bot, so you can type the name, but you need to know the name for that. But now the star means that all bots are allowed to access these pages. So here I am disallowing 2 pages and allowing the other 2 pages. After disallow, all you need to write a slug and the page name, okay? For example, you have opened this website, marketingfundas.org, okay? And what did you do inside this? So what we need to do now is disallow access to that page. So what we will do is use the slug of that particular page here as a disallow, right? So we are on our website, which is our demo website, okay? We are here on the SEO, here on off-page SEO, we can disallow this page. So what do you have to do? You just have to copy the slug, okay? You just have to copy slug part here. Then here you just put a space after disallow and then paste here. What will happen when Google crawlers visit this page next time? They won't be able to crawl, right? So here we also disallow another page, such as it's WP edit in page, which is our. It is an admin page, type slash here, slash WP hyphen admin page. So here what we did, typed class and then WP, the admin page slug was copied completely. I did this and pasted it here, and here it is. Save changes to robots.txt. So from next time when you are here and you will check the robot.txt file, next time when you will check robots slash robots.txt, okay. If you enter, you will see the changes. 2 files, WP hyphen admin and off page admin page is disallowed here. Okay, here's how to edit your robots.txt file and manage your website on all parts. You can upload and make changes. So guys, that's all for this video. We will be bringing more interesting topics related to SEO in the upcoming videos. Until then, thank you so much. I hope my friends you liked this video and learned a lot. Let me know in the comment section. And friends, if you want to take digital marketing training or want to take services, so you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call us on our other number. Marketing Fundas has brought the easiest affiliate program in the world for you, through which you can start earning instantly. Find the link in the description, contact me for more. Thanks for watching Marketing Fundas.